cha, oh cha, 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 cha. Whoa, hey, what are you doing here? Well, I came here with some more fun. Well, that's too bad. There, she's gone. Well, I know. Emma might be the one getting out. Nope, it's you. Okay, this can't be Emma. No, it's all my fault she's out. Well, that's too bad. Bye-bye. So the next challenge is... Wait. Graphical session. Can you switch it back to the original background? Sure, I guess. Boom, we're back here. So your next challenge is to cook me some food. Whoever does the best will be safe. This time it's a double elimination. The two people who do the worst will be up for elimination. Go. So I made her a pizza. Hope she enjoys this. I'm gonna be the one who wins immunity for sure. So, how long will it take? So I made her a popcorn and a drink. Hope she likes this. Okay, what the heck is this? Oh, I think she'll love this. Yay, I can take this. Hey! Everyone is done. And the winner is Ara. Yay! Wait, how did I win again? It's because instead of food, you gave me a wonderful freaking light. Hey, that was my light. Well, don't care. Vote one of these four to be eliminated.